Bradshaw Farms, we run our beehives on Langstroth hives. And those are the hives that are boxes stacked on top of boxes. The reason we do that is it's easier to use for a beekeeper to access. There are frames in there, and in our boxes we use 10 frames. And there's usually a hexagonal foundation, either wax or plastic with wax covering. And the reason that that's so easy to use is because it's easy to access and harvest the honey afterward. So when you're working with hives, you want the best for the bees, but you also want the easiest access to get to. And so we try to make it easy for our people to work with them and do stuff.